I'm going to show you how to catch your contrast color. So we are going to knit with white up until the point we want to catch our contrast color. On this stitch where we're ready to catch, you're going to insert as if to knit, bring this purple color up between our two needles, wrap with our main color, and then bring that contrast color back. And we're knitting with our main color. So I'll show you that one more time. We'll knit up to where we want to catch. And then on the stitch we'd like to catch, we're going to insert, bring this forward, wrap, and then bring it back. And in that way, we're going to catch our contrast color so that it looks a bit like this. And that is where we've caught our stitch on the back of our stranded color work.